like I'm it down here, guys. The gnats are bad. The surf is not bad at all. The wind hasn't allowed me to go offshore very much this year, but we got a good window here. We're gonna take advantage of it. Couldn't talk anyone into coming with me, so I'm gonna go by myself. I don't have any ribbon fish today. I got in here way too late last night to stop and get any, but that's all right. I want to try some hard lures today, some hard plastics. I've got my bait tube. We might get some live bait out here. A lot of big marks. We're gonna throw this thing, this little Nomad, for a second. See how it does. Whew. Alright guys, water's a little dirty. A lot of bait, a lot of fish, looks like. Hadn't had a hit yet, but I've always wanted to catch a king on a topwater. So no better time than the present, man. Look at how flat it is out here. I mean, it's just gorgeous. We'd probably be slaying them with ribbons, but try something different today. I might regret it, but we're gonna see. Whoa! Oh, topwater kings, man. Oh, there we go. King on. Double king. Oh, God. First topwater king. Right there, guys. I think I feel like a giant kingfish, but it's my first topwater king. Get him around here. Oh yeah, nice king. Look at this, guys. That was sick. God, he decided to run finally. Oh, God. He ate that topwater right next to the... I hope we got that. Oh, that was sick. That was so cool. All right, dude. You can call a shark up here. Oh! God. Trying to flip me over. I got a cramp in my leg from this fucker. Oh, that was a sick eat, man. So cool. God. He hit the side of the kayak on one of those sharp edges. God dang it. Oh, that was awesome. Hi. We'll see if this dude is here. I lost my Nomad. That was freaking too cool. See if this guy got it. Okay, I think we might still have this one. Now, he's off. Whew. That was too cool, man. I don't know if I got another topwater, but I'm gonna see. Jeez, man. God dang it, he got my lure. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, they are out today, man. Ooh, there's one. Yeah. Golly! He hit my lure. He might have got it. Whew. Oh, there's one. Whoop-a! I thought he got that lure. I guess he didn't. I don't know. I might have to stop and check here in a second. Whoo! Man, they are up in the air today. Oh, he got my nomad a while ago. Pop, 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 pop. Come on, dude. Pop. Give him some more line. Get it away from the kayak a little. Pop, pop. Let me check this one. I think he might have got the lure. Yep. Oh, that's good. Yeah, he drilled this one, guys. No, he didn't. Thought he got the lure. He did not. Oh. Keep going. We're right over the reef. All right, get it back in the rod holder. Pop. 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 A lot of bait. Pop. Oh, golly. Ah, smashed it. Smashed it. Alright guys, this topwater is freaking amazing. Oh, I think he got off. Oh, he didn't. He's just running that reach. Alright. See if we can keep from doing that again. I'm going to back off the drag a little. This dude is... Ah, we're doubled up. Doubled up. Ah. All right, hang on, dude. I got a hot mess. Not a very big king here, but we'll wear him out so he doesn't get my lure again. We got another king on this other one. That was the first king I had was a big one. Talk about a sick topwater bite. Woo! Hang on, buddy, I'm coming. Keep that one hooked up. All right, let me see if I can get this one, guys. Topwater king. Hang on. We got a lot going on here, and we don't want to get a hook in them. All right. Woo! All right, hang on, dude. I'm gonna get you out of here as quickly as I can. Topwater king in the boat. Is the right way? There we go. Get this bite while it's going. All right. We got a fish over here too. Guys, this is not the topwater, but we'll see what we got here. Shut this off for you guys. God, I am so glad I came down here. This is crazy. I've always wanted to get on that topwater king bite, and I have today, this morning, for sure. God, they're just skying everywhere, guys. Let's get this one in. Ooh, it feels like a good king. That first king I had on that Nomad was a good one. All right, nice king. He's gonna rip. Oh. Come here, dude. Who needs ribbon fish when you can do this, guys? This is sick. All right, if I can get this dude up here. You really gotta watch these hooks. You get these lures like this, guys. All right. Yeah, that's a nice one. God, they're tricky. All right, come here, dude. No sharks, no sharks. Don't call a hammerhead up here. All right, I'm trying, guys. All right, come here, dude. You are gonna get my lure or call a shark up, one or the other. You've already made up your mind, haven't you? That's a good king. Okay, hang on, dude. Hang on. Let me get it out of you. Alright. He got that treble just right in the worst fucking possible place that he could get it. Like they always do. Alright. Come on, man. You made me break my treble hook off? God dang it. Alright, guys. Whew. That is a nice king. Look at that thing. Let's keep him alive. Alright. Make sure there's no sharks around. Woo! That's why you come king fishing right there, guys. Make sure you guys tune in for the next video where I'm discuss tactics that I use to catch these fish. Haven't seen anyone use it on the Texas coast really. I learned it at Panama, and I'll talk more about that in the next video. You don't want to miss it. This was just a small part of this video.